Hi guys, this is Diane Hogarth here, Millionaire Mom, and today's lesson is how to make a YouTube thumbnail with Canva. So you log into your Canva account and it can make lots of different things. For instance, YouTube thumbnails, covers, Facebook cover notes, Facebook, anything else. But today, look, it does Facebook, anything you like. But today we're going to if you put TH for thumbnail, it comes up with thumbnail. So what you need to do is you need to upload your own photos, for example. I've actually already uploaded this, but it's really easy to upload an image and then you just click where you want on your own computer. So I'm going to make this is how you do it. You just click. That's too big for some reason. So you need, this didn't happen before, guys. Oh, for God's sake. Actually, this is quite good practice for you guys because I want it smaller, look. So if you get that arrow, it's not going smaller. Dear me. Cancel. If it goes wrong, just cancel. So if you don't want that one, you can actually get rid of it. Look. And then if you want that one, you can make it bigger or you can make it smaller. Look. I want it about that big. See, if I make a mistake, you learn by it. Now this, all I wanted to do was put it there, look. So don't double click, just drag and drop, okay? And I would like the arrow here, look. But I would like to actually make that a bit smaller. And let's see, here we go. I want it to be able to turn it around. So if you click on the outside somewhere, and then you can turn it round, look, like that, and then switch it round like that. Put that there, and then let's see what happens here. I didn't want to do that actually. You can actually add some text here and add a heading. This is what I normally do. So I just wanted to show you this bit. So if you Control A, it highlights it all, and then you can change the font. I like this one here. This one, because it's quirky. I like the shapes of the letters. Okay, so how to customize YouTube, your YouTube banner. Okay, then to make it smaller, you can go, in fact, let's get rid of that one because I don't want that one. I wanted to show you how to add a heading. Okay. Now, is that going to be good or bad? I don't like that, so you can have a play. You can drag it around, make them bigger, make them smaller. But you can have some fun. That one needs to be a little bit smaller, look. So you just click on it so you get the little dots and just make it a teeny bit smaller. because that's the bit we're interested in, because we're customizing that bit there. Okay, now that looks okay to me. So let's, I mean, you can, if you wanted to, make that longer if you wanted to, but then you download it. And it's called How to Customize. Then you go onto your YouTube channel. I actually did this morning, and I was humming and ahhing and faffing around, so I'm redoing it quickly for you lot. So it's not exactly the same one as I did this morning. So then you go into your channel, find out which video you wanted to put a thumbnail on, which is the one, customize your YouTube channel. This one here, look, I did it a little different. So you click on this, then you edit video. Then it'll come up, custom thumbnail is what you're looking for. And my computer just decides to freeze. This is live, girls and boys. Okay, there you go. It says custom thumbnail there. If you wanted to change your image, you can just change your image, but that's the one I did. This is the one I did earlier, folks. And then you just save changes, guys. So that's how you make a YouTube thumbnail using Canva. Hit the like button, share, hit the notifications so you'll get top tips as they come on YouTube, Facebook, and how to streamline your business, get more leads and automate everything so you can go and live on the beach somewhere. See you in the next video. Bye.